That's the Academy of Urban Planning over there, just beyond those trees. And this is Bushwick, our community, one in which I really think could benefit from our skills and talents as graphic designers. Specifically, the bodegas. We can see that already someone's done a little photoshopping, but I think we can really use our skills to enhance their storefronts so we can create compelling posters for their businesses and sort of advertise the Academy of Urban Planning at the same time. And we're going to start with this particular store, Aria's. But before I do, you're probably wondering, why should I do anything for this store? Look at their storefront. It's not all that beautiful, is it? You're probably thinking maybe they should be giving me something. Maybe they should be paying me if I'm going to be giving them, sharing with them my skills. And here is the thing. I've talked to many of them, and quite frankly, they're not interested in paying us at this time. In fact, some of them I really had to convince them to participate in this project. So right now, I'm going to share with you a few reasons why we're going to create posters for these storefronts. Who benefits from this? First, you guys are going to benefit because it feels good to help out other people and feels good to see your work on display in a public place. It's nice to be able to walk down the street and point and say, hey mom, I made that. This is another opportunity for you guys to practice your Photoshop skills. And this is a compelling work experience that you can put on your resume, and that's crucial. This is probably the most significant reason that we're doing this. And how do the bodegas benefit? Well, it makes their storefront prettier. Maybe they'll get more business, they'll generate more revenue if people are seeing your posters and walking on in. How does the Academy of Urban Planning benefit? We're going to put the AUP logo on every poster, along with your name saying, this is posters created by so and so student, the Academy of Urban Planning. And this is it's going to be a subtle advertisement for the Academy of Urban Planning. Maybe it'll boost enrollment. We'll see. How do I benefit? This is another opportunity for me to showcase the amazing work, amazing that you guys do. And so that maybe we'll be the recipients of donations in the future. You guys know I'm really big on that. And I'm proud of you. You guys are amazing. Your talent, your Photoshop skills. And I want the whole world to be as impressed as I am every day. What else? Maybe down the road, we can get some business if we're successful and we work hard. Maybe we'll start going into Manhattan. We'll see. We can share a portfolio with our other stores, and they'll be thrilled. And they'll say, you know what? Sure, not only would we like a poster, but we'll pay you to do so. So here are some of the posters that we're going to starting with. Here's one. We've got a lot to do to make this poster look pretty. Those are some of the proprietors. There's the new deli that just opened up with the school in the background. And here are projects we're going to be working on this week. Very quickly, what is a template that we're going to be using? This is a template. Why are we going to be making posters quite like this? Well, we've been talking about contrast all year long. And so we see contrast between the bodega itself and the neighborhood because it's color against black and white, right? It's also a photo against what looks like a hand-drawn sketch. We also see contrast with the text, specifically blue on white, and then white on blue. And we've got a nice little balance. We've got a nice little flow from one end to the other. We see the bodega sort of leaning on the right. We see the bodega owners in the lower left-hand corner. We're going to be striving to sort of replicate this format initially in all of the posters that we do. And then I'm going to give you guys some creativity. You can produce what you want. You're going to notice, however, in the lower right-hand corner, there's the AUP logo. It's kind of subtle. It's, black against white, and it says in the bottom poster it's created by Miranda Rivera. It, of course, was not, but it will be after today.